Want to pay your UK road tax? Here's how to do it online. First, search for Pay Road Tax UK and open the official Tax Your Vehicle page. Tap Start Now, then choose whether you have a tax reminder letter in your name. Now, select the document you have. You can use your V5C registration certificate, green slip, last chance letter, or email reminder. Choose accordingly. I'll use the V5C registration certificate. Enter your vehicle registration number and the 11-digit reference number from your document. Your vehicle details will appear. Check them and tap Continue. Continue. Now choose your payment method. You can pay by direct debit or card. Continue. With direct debit, you can choose monthly payments or pay once every 6 or 12 months. Choose accordingly. Continue. Review your details. You can also add your email address and phone number to receive your tax receipt. Continue. Now, enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your bank account. Enter your name, date of birth, email, and postcode. Tap Find My Address. Then, enter bank account holder name, sort code, and account number. Confirm, and tap Continue. Confirm everything and submit your application. The DVLA will set up your payment, and your vehicle tax will be automatically collected from your bank account. You'll also receive a confirmation reference number. That's it. Your UK vehicle tax is now set up.